Hi, this is Brayden. Today I'm going to teach you how to fold this Pokemon binder. It's obviously for your Pokemon card binder. And if you're new to this channel, please like this video and subscribe. All you will need is a piece of paper or more if you want to make like this binder, and you'll need glue, of course, if you want to make the binder. So let's get started. So the first thing is you fold it into half. And you fold it into another half. And then you fold it half again. And then you fold the sides into like a triangle. For all four sides. And you fold it like this in the middle. And then you fold it in the middle again, but you flip it upside down, and it will end up like this. When you fold it, you do it for both sides. You fold it for both sides, and then you're done. But one step left. You need to fold it in half. Then you're done for the first one. Let's try again. So you fold it in half again. And it's all the same steps. Fold it like this again. Fold it again like this. It's basically repeating the whole steps. Nothing has changed. You fold it in the corners again. Try to do it to you own it. I'll be back when I finish all of these papers. So now I finished folding my mini binder. Now is to stick it on. So you need your glue stick. You stick it on. You put glue on top of here. I stick it on. I do it the same. The same way. Glue, you stick it on and you do it. You can make as many and stick it on. You can make it like this. Now that's done. We should test this binder now. And then one paper equals to 2 sides and 2 cards. So altogether we made 12 cards you can put it. So let's test it out right now. You choose a card. And you put it on like this. You fit it on through and square like this. fit it on, and the top of the bottom and top holds the card just like this, and you can take it out by doing this. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye.